I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Greg today, and we do the research and development here at PRP. One of the jobs we have is to review feedback from you, the customer. Positive or negative, we need to know the make, model, year you're working with, the brand of glass you're working with, our part number, including the lot number, and the specific issue you are having. And we're going to take this information and validate and do some testing. Greg, what are we working on today?
Today we'll be working with a Ford Windshield 2298 GTN, vitro glass. The bug indicates of PGW DOT46.
Some of you on social media have been saying their 2298 is too long across the upper section.
We've gone ahead and pulled the WFS F2298 molding off the shelf.
Now we know this part is in spec because our ISO inspection process verified it to our print. Greg is going to go ahead and install this molding, which is a WFS F2298, in a method that we do not recommend, which is going from one corner all the way to the other corner. Now these moldings are flexible PVC. Doing it this way, you're more than likely going to stretch the top section. Now this applies to any molding that has mitered corners on it, whether it's underside or veal style. If it has mitered corners, we do not recommend doing it this way. And once Greg gets to the end here, you can see clearly that this is too long now. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is Greg's going to remove that side. I'm going to keep this corner on right here, and we're going to do the installation with our recommended method, which is applying the corners first and working toward the center. Now, as you can see, it fits properly now. Same molding, different installation technique. We went ahead and took the molding off of the glass that we just put on. We put it on this template, and now we're going to put the OEM part over it to show you that the lengths are the same. Now what I need to do is flip this upside down so we can use this corner as a hard point. We're going to go ahead, lay it over it. Greg, what do you got over there? Is it tight?
This corner is tight with the edge.
And lift it back up to show ours is tight.
Tight on the corner.
Another concern that we hear about on social media is a 2849 application, our WFS 2849. We're going to go ahead and do the exact same test that we did with the 2298. Greg, what glass we got here?
Again, we're working with a vitro Ford Windshield 2849. The bug indicates PGW glass DOT46.
And we went ahead and took this part right off the shelf, just like we did for 2298. Just like that, we're going to put it on the non-recommended way first. So as you can clearly see, it's too long doing this method. We're going to go ahead, take it off, and we're going to put it on in the recommended fashion. And as you can see, once you do the recommended method, the corners are on well. Again, we value your social media feedback, any feedback really. Please make sure you include make, model, year, the brand of glass you're working with, our part number, our lot number, and the specific issue you're having so we can research it.
You can email that information to tech@prp.com.